Hey guys, this is Mike. Never seen anything like this. Look at this beauty. If I can't incorporate this in my lock picking world, I can't believe it. This is spectacular. What's the name of this thing? I don't even care, really. I just know I can get it for next to nothing. I can even add a coupon, get $10 off. This is wonderful. Look at that. Let's see, what is this? There's the promo. Here's the stand. Oh, I love it. Noevsbig. Great company. Gets high marks on Amazon. They have their own video. Look at that. I just ordered it. I can't wait to get it. I'm going to give such a nice review on this. This thing is beautiful. I need it. I need this. I need this crab claw to hold my lock picking adventure stuff. I need this vise for big locks. There's that crab claw. Look at that. Other guys make stands for doing the same thing, and this is magnetic. It goes on a metal base. I can poke it on and off. Oh, and look at, there's a vise just like Panavise. Oh, this thing is beautiful. I've never seen a light with a magnifying glass, and all for that price. This gotta be, this is unreal. I can't wait to get it. I don't do much soldering, but I did have my hand at soldering about 6 months ago, and boy did I make a mess. I wished I'd had this stand. Look at this. Magnets go down a metal base. Strong, they say. We'll find out. I'm hoping so. There it is. That is going to be in my hot little hands really quick. So when I get it, I'm going to post a nice review on what I think of it, guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Please stay tuned for the bigger video when I get this thing in the mail. It's going to be beautiful. Please subscribe, and I'll have more door and lock tips coming your way. Thanks.